Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crochet Online Course. In today's video I am going to tell you how to crochet this beautiful stitch for patterns, baby cardigans, sweaters, tops, tunics, bags, whatever you want to crochet with this. You can see it's all like it's with double crochet all over and some front loops, some back loops. It's really easy, no other complicated technique to make this. This is also very fast, and you can see it's very soft and thick, so it's best suitable for baby blankets. Okay, start. Okay, I have this hook number 2.5 mm as you can see in the screen, and I have yarn the regular 3-ply yarn. Okay, so start. Now we will do the chains multiples of 7, 14, 21 or 28, as much as you want. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. Okay, now skip 3 chains. 1 2 3 in the fourth chain. In the fourth, make 9 DCs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is 9. Okay, so we did 9 double crochets in the fourth chain. Okay, now skip 3 stitches. 1 2 3 in the fourth chain, make a single crochet like this. Okay, again 9 double crochets in the fourth chain. Skip 3. 1 2 3, skip, and in the fourth do 9 double crochets. 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Again skip 3 stitches. 1 2 3 in the fourth single crochet. Okay, complete this. Okay, I have completed the first row. For the second, take 3 double crochet, 3 chains, turn over and start making the back post double crochet. Okay, start double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 4, 1 chain, skip this fifth double crochet, and from the 7th again 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's like this. Okay, now again 4 double crochets from here, 1 back post double crochets, 2, 3 and 4. After 4 we will again do a single chain, skip the 5th double crochet, and from the 6th 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can see now okay, I finished the second row. Now it's time for the third. Take 1 chain, only 1 chain, make 4 double crochets in this gap, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, and 5th one is double crochet in the chain that we did in this second row. The chain, this was the chain, I think this was the chain that we did. Chain or the 5th, like this. Again 4 double crochet in that the same place, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's like this. Okay, next the place, the gap place, single crochet, again 4 double crochet in this gap, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet in the 5th stitch, 5th double crochet, like this. Again 4 double crochet in that gap, 2, 3, 4 double crochet in this place, 1 single crochet, do it again and again. Okay, do it. Okay, third row is completed. Now in the last do a double crochet in this, like this. Again 3 double crochet, turn over and start making the back post double crochets, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 back post double crochet, then 1 chain, skip this one, the line, skip this one. This was the 5th. Okay, skip this. Now from this again 1 2 3 4. Again 4 double crochets, 1 in the back post, 2 3 4 4 1 chain, again 1 2 3, this 4, complete it, then again repeat the same. Okay, now again take 3 chains, no sorry, only 2 chains. I will do only 1, no need to move. Okay, 4 double crochets in this hole, 1 2 3 and 4 double crochets, done. Double crochet in this loop, this one, like this. Okay, 4 again in that place, 2 3 and 4. Okay, done. You will get this look. I don't know it's okay. Again single crochet, 4 double crochets in that gap, 2 3 4 double crochet in that loop, again 4 2 3 4. Okay, single crochet. Now you can see the design or the pattern, how it's going. It's like 3D shells, 3D half shells or 3D shells. Okay, complete this.